So I'm trying something out. I want to put this up here. Okay, and then that, you'll see, watch this. Let's take that out of the way. Now, you can see that that would work, and that's what I like about magnets. So I'm thinking about making a cover so that these magnets can be hard embedded into this, and then it'll be a small gap because this thing is going to rip the screw out before it's going to come off. So having a little extra plate for it to go through, I think will work. But right now, I want a way to hold that there. And I've got an extra thumb screw, but it's not going to fit in there. So watch this. So I'm going to try this out. I'm going to put this here to try to shield it so I can heat just this hole up. And then I'm going to go ahead and put that there and heat this nut up. It was still hot. And now I should. Looks like it mushroomed. Let's take a look. So I'll probably heat that up a little bit more and try to push it in a little deeper. But as long as that plastic mushroomed around it enough, it should work. So I got a washer that was bent so that it would hold tight to that. Put it on there. And now you can tell that's the blade. There you go. Blade mount. Now all I gotta do is figure a way to cut around that, and that'll hold the clamps. There it is for now. PackOut. AmmoCan. Yes, I said it. Festool holder.